Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. Sign in to Binance on the app or website and confirm KYC is complete. Once logged in, go straight to wallet, then fiat and spot. Don't wander. You need TRX Tron selected, so open deposit right arrow crypto. Make sure the device and network are secure before continuing, because you're about to expose a deposit address. Once done, be prepared to choose the correct network and copy both address and any provided memo or tag. Now pick TRX as the deposit coin. You'll see a network drop-down, choose TRC20. This is crucial because TRC20 is the Tron-based token standard. Once selected, Binance will display a deposit address and sometimes a memo or tag. Copy both if present. You can also tap the QR icon to scan. Make sure the copying is exact. Paste into a plain text field to verify no extra spaces. Once verified, prepare to send a small test amount, first to confirm everything. Finish by pasting the TRC20 address into the sending wallet, confirm the network is TRC20 on both sides, and send a small test amount. You'll see a transaction ID, save it. Then monitor Binance deposit history and on-chain confirmations. Once the test arrives, send the full amount. If the deposit doesn't appear, first check the TX ID on a Tron Explorer, then contact Binance support with the TX ID and screenshots. If you use the wrong network, act immediately. Recovery can be difficult.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.